Greetings, Daniels here. This is Visual Studio Code 1.5.21. I want to report that there is no way to export the file as a PI file, save as. Nothing happens. There used to be a way of exporting this file as a .py, but it appears export as. There we go, export as. And that should maybe have worked. Let's take a look. It did not. It did not work. Let's try again. Save as does not work. So let's try. Here it is. Okay, so it's taken it's created a new window for it. So let's go ahead and call this all files save as. Let's see if this works. It does. So m.py, click save. All right, that works. But let's see if it'll actually run the file, because all of this stuff here looks like it's going to interfere with actually running the code. Let's go ahead and F5 that. All right, that did work. Okay, so that kind of worked, and now let's type something else. All right, so it did work, so that's all very good. My issue here, though, is if I want to file save as a different file, I don't have that option. File save as does not work with IPython notebooks in Visual Studio Code. If I try and save, Control S, it will save, but file save as, I get no option. I call that a bug. Thanks for watching and happy computing.